In every December, lights glow, music fills the air, and millions celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ on December 25th. But what if I told you Jesus was almost certainly not born on that date? The real story behind Christmas is far stranger and far more ancient than most people ever realize. According to historians, early Christians never celebrated Jesus' birthday at all. The Bible never gives a date. And the shepherds watching their flocks at night hint it wasn't winter at all, it was likely spring or autumn. So how did December 25th become the most famous birthday in the world? The answer lies in politics, power, and pagan traditions older than Christianity itself. Long before Jesus, the Romans celebrated a festival called Saturnalia around the same time. It honored Saturn, the god of time and harvest. For a week, society flipped upside down. Slaves were treated as equals. Gifts were exchanged. Homes were decorated with greenery, and people feasted in the streets. It was wild, chaotic, and beloved by everyone. Then came the Sol Invictus, unconquered sun, a celebration of the winter solstice. On December 25th, the sun began to return, and Romans believed light was triumphing over darkness. When Christianity spread across the empire, the church faced a dilemma. Pagan traditions were too deeply rooted to erase. So, instead of banning them, they reimagined them. By the 4th century, church leaders chose December 25th as the day to honor Jesus' birth, not because it was his real birthday, but because it perfectly replaced the pagan festival of the sun. The Son of God replaced the sun god. It was a brilliant move, spiritual and strategic. Even the symbols we use today carry echoes of those ancient rituals. The Christmas tree came from pagan tribes who decorated evergreens as symbols of eternal life. The Yule log, mistletoe, and even the timing of gift-giving all trace back to pre-Christian Europe. So every time we hang lights, share gifts, or gather around a glowing tree, we're celebrating something far older than we think, a fusion of faith, history, and human tradition. The story of Christmas isn't just about one birth, it's about how cultures across centuries came together to celebrate light conquering darkness. And maybe that's the real miracle of December 25th. That a date born from ancient fire and forgotten gods became a symbol of hope for the entire world.